Welcome to the series where I just break down every style ever, but also make memes and cry. The ratio of information to memes is going to be like a mimosa, but not your regular mimosa, my mimosa. And then you flip the labels. There we go. We're getting drunk. Last video blew up, the biggest video I've ever done, and probably also the most fun I've ever had making a video. So why not make a part 2? You know, it only makes sense. There's so many more of you that I need to meme. So here's the next batch of styles that we're putting in the oven. But before we get into the first one, I just want to say the final capsule of the year for the Respect Women clothing line is now live. You have 48 hours to take advantage of the Black Friday sale I'm doing. So act quick because the last capsule sold out in like 1 hour. And depending on what time you're seeing this, it might even be sold out now. So respect-women.com, all the info is on the site. Love you. Thank you. Now it's time to make fun of you. Bars. Off the top of the head. Just throw on a beat. Let's go. Starting off with the first turkey in the oven, we got the vintage boy. Okay, so we got to keep in theme with this. I got to slow down. I'm going to add some VHS overlay real quick, you know? High pass my voice because it's a vibe. And throw on this new duo I found. Tame and Paula. I don't know. It's pretty underground. So their astrological sign is Windbreaker. I think it's an earth sign, and probably has more vintage Tommy than Tommy himself. Always rocking the coolest dad jeans, but they're probably called dad jeans because they're old enough to be his dad. And actually, probably all of his clothes are older than him. But that's fine, because he thinks he was born in the wrong generation anyways. Had a Tumblr when that was a thing, but now he uses Grail. Which is not the same, but that's just his side piece. His main thing is thrifting. And I can meme this archetype all day, but this dude finds like the coolest crap at the thrift, like all the time. All of these guys. Like, throw this guy in a Goodwill and he'll find more heat than the inside of a Hot Pocket, I swear. Hands down has the best graphic tee collection out of everyone, and it's always like stuff that I never knew I needed. Like, I didn't even know this was a thing until I saw it for the first time now. And now I want like 5 of them in every color, but I can't because, oh yeah, dude, I don't know where to get it. I thrifted it, I'm sorry. Like, I hate that answer. It's like, where'd you find happiness in life? Oh, I thrifted it. Vintage boy, Windbreaker. Next up, we got the influencer boy. So what do I even mean by this? Okay. Okay, let's paint, I'm gonna paint a picture. So think of your happy place, right? Your favorite songs playing at your favorite time of day. Your crush is there and you're in love and ooh, a girl likes you. We're painting quite the unrealistic fantasy land here, huh? Like, you can be there forever and be happy and, ooh, nothing can ruin this day. Now imagine a G-Wagon pulls up. Is this a drive-by? Am I gonna die? Worse, a guy with above average height and platinum hair steps out. He exhales an entire cloud of half-charged mango jewel pod before his custom pair of Goyard Vans old schools even get a chance to touch the ground. He stares blankly through his bloodshot eyes that scream Hollywood Hills party hangover, hidden behind a pair of polarized Burberry sunglasses. Lips still chat from making out with Tana Mojo. Oh my god, I can't believe I said that out loud. After gazing at you and figuratively swiping left, he quickly turns and walks towards your crush, almost as if she has a blue check mark above her head. You can hear the zippers on his Gucci crossbody bag chime in tandem with the denim chafing between his skin-tight pair of Amiri jeans. As he gets closer, you get a whiff of his Chanel blue men lathered on top of his oversized Balenciaga logo t-shirt. Upon reaching your girl, he lets out a grin exposing his unnecessarily white teeth that make his fake Cuban chain look like a Chuck E. Cheese prize. Right before he gets a chance to say how many followers he has, you pull out a weapon in retaliation and self-defense. Is it a knife? Is it a bat? Is it a gun? Worse, a screenshot of a controversial tweet he made in 2009. Before he gets a chance to run, you engage. Bam. Cancel. He lets out a final ah-ha-ha before ending with his last words. Lamau, I'm dead. He slowly passes without getting a chance to make an apology video. A clean kill. A good engagement. Good engagement! Cancelled, an influencer's tragedy. Written and produced by Christian Villanueva. So yeah, not that that exact story's ever happened to me. That's never happened to me. His lips weren't even chapped, and I'm sure he pulled up in a Range Rover. Also, this guy always has like the most inexpensive looking outfit ever. And at the same time, you're kind of just wondering, how the hell does he afford this? There you have it, the influencer boy. What do I rate it? Tick. Talk. I hate influencers. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna be a hypocrite for a second. But I'm gonna be honest here, which is what matters, okay? So hear me out. Black Friday is coming up. Today is Black Friday. What the hell? And now's your chance to buy all the cool crap you've ever wanted since it's on sale, but spending your money is still hard. So I'm partnering with Rakuten, which used to be Ebates. I've worked with them before. It's a great service. So Rakuten, best cashback app you can use. They're partnered with over 2,500 brands like Nike, H&M, New Balance, Amazon. And like I said, completely free to use. I've been using it since college when my friends told me to hop on it when we buy stuff before the semester starts, but now I dropped out of college. And I still use it because I learned to let go of the things that hold me back in life and to hold on to the things that make my life better. And it's not that deep either. It's just free money. Who doesn't want that? You just make an account and install the app. That's it. And then you just browse a selection of stores that are partnered with them doing cash back. You can see the amount the brand is offering, and sometimes there are even special coupons or deals that Rakuten will supply you on the site. Like here, I just went on the Nike website, and since I have the Rakuten Chrome extension installed, it automatically offers me 7% cash back as long as I just click the button. Bam, bam, you're good. It's all set up. You just shop as usual, and then you'll get 7% cash back rewarded to your account after you place an order on the website. That's really all it takes. You know, you're getting money back that you were planning on spending anyways, so it's just free cash at this point, and you can get it sent directly to your PayPal. And since you're all doing your shopping now anyways, go sign up, get the app for free. If you use my link in the description, you'll get a free $10 welcome bonus once you place an order of $25 or more when you use the app to buy something. On top of all that, they're doing a $100 giveaway to spend on anything. Just sign up using the first link and then click the second link in the description to enter. It's just Black Friday. You might as well just save the money that you were gonna spend anyways and get some cash back. They've given me back a lot of money over time, and I haven't even done anything. It's just shopping through the app. So go sign up, use it in time for the holidays now. The link is in the description. Okay, so after the influencer boy, we got his bigger brother that won't admit they're kind of alike. The hustle boy. Okay, so we all know one of these guys. You know, the dude who puts on a pair of Chelsea boots and a turtleneck and then thinks he went up a couple tax brackets. Oh, and just wait for the winner. When this guy gets his pea coat on, it's over for all you middle class. And if you want to find one of these guys in the wild, just check the Instagram bio. It always works. I made a bingo board. So let's play some bingo. So we got God first, or something about God, business email, and then their title's either going to be like entrepreneur or public figure. Those two are, okay. Bible verse somewhere, affiliated with like their links and their sponsors or whatever. Their geographical location, total follower reach across all platforms, a link to something that they're doing or whatever, and then just being verified because these guys are just verified for some reason. Why can't I be verified? Probably because my picture is Baby Yoda vaping. I don't know, who knows? But then again, these guys are more successful than me and I can't really talk crap about them, you know? Actually, let's check my bio. Why not? Okay, I have 2. Wow, maybe that's why I suck? But these are just the successful few. There are a bunch of people that aren't even like really hustling that want to be hustlers and like preach on their story and watch Tim Ferriss videos and listen to the Gary Vee podcast. You know, they're probably in really good shape too, you know, because they work out a lot or drink fit tea. And they probably smell like a Macy's too. Also, why do these guys have like the best outfit shots ever? You know, what's that all about? Like, why? Like, there's no way you walk like that. Unless you do, and I have a theory that they're all friends and they live together. Like a gamer house, but instead of gaming, it's just like hustling. Like instead of waking up to play League of Legends, it's you wake up and you hustle. Hustle, baby. If I had to rate the hustle boy, blessed out of blessed, because God first. Next up, we got the fashion embodiment of a BMW 3 Series, the Euro boy. Gotta get in the mood for this one too, so let me slow down. All right. So first of all, he's too cool for you. Yeah, this shirt is Prada, but like, you know, you wouldn't know. Yeah, these jeans are like SLP, but you know, you wouldn't really know. Like also, these aren't like dirty Sambas or anything, you know, these are Maison Margiela paint splatter gats from fall winter 2012. But like, you know, you wouldn't know or anything, you know. He's probably also like very artistic and probably has a vinyl collection too. You know, you guys are really into like old, obsolete crap. Sometimes they're pretty chill and easygoing, but sometimes they're elitists who think highly of themselves and run fashion meme pages to put down others for the sake of their ego. But sometimes they're pretty chill. Rocks the shirts open just like how they'd have the windows down on their BMW E30 and more silver than a 15-year-old on League of Legends. The Euro boy, if I had to rate him, Harry out of styles. Last on our list today is Techwear's analog, vegan, gluten-free, cage-free, free-range cousin. Like if Techwear was Star Wars, homeboy over here is Lord of the Rings. We got the Ricky boy, All right, Rick Owens. Probably one of the most meme things in streetwear. Also, probably one of the most misunderstood, which is why it gets memed a lot. But okay, so the pieces are cut with the intent of complementing a muscular frame. Maybe even our hustler boy over here can fit, but wow, actually, no. That's actually the most incompatible thing ever. But if you look good, you look good. Who cares? This guy worships Rick, both Owens and Sanchez. Their house is probably in theme with their outfits. They also hate the Converse meme, but only when other people make them. But if they say it, totally hilarious. But when normies make it, yeah. Definitely uses Reddit, like no doubt. Might even be active on Reddit, which is worse. Also, these guys too, you wonder how they afford all this crap, but at the same time, you don't want to ask questions because you're kind of like, you know, do I really want to know where he got that? Also, notice that the Ricky boys, these guys tend to stay in one lane, like all Rick. But at the end of the day, it's whatever tickles your fancy. Whether you be a thrift king who speaks fluent windbreaker, or a hustle boy who wears Ramones on the weekend. Do your thing. Yeah, I can't judge. I wear merch. And the final capsule of the decade is live. You have 48 hours to take advantage of the sale. So go now, respect-women.com. And follow the brand Instagram. Yeah, I'm almost at 10K. I just want to do these swipe ups already. But also, thank you to Rakuten for sponsoring this video. Make sure you download the app and sign up for the giveaway. Take advantage of the increased cash back on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. You're going to get a lot of money back, and it's like you can use that to something else. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and comment your favorite meme. And part 3? Probably not. I kind of hate myself for making a part 2.